Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. While modeling this component, I will start with the material addition feature first, then I will do the material removal features. First, I will start with the cylinder with a diameter of 60, then extrude up to the length of 140. Then I will create this feature, then extrude up to the length of 60. Here you can see 27 plus 27. Here the thickness is 6, so totally the 60. Then I will do this extrusion. Then finally I will put these two holes and this slot. Now we'll learn how to do this component using Creo Parametric. After modeling this component, it will look like this in the Creo Parametric. This is the final model. Now we'll learn this component step by step in Creo Parametric. Just go to the file, close, new, part, solid, provide a name, and tick this use default template, save OK. Our units are in mm, so choose mm part solid absolute, save OK. I'm just switching on the plane. Now for easy learning, I'm keeping this fixture left side and software in the right side. First, we'll start with the cylinder. Take the top plane, sketch view. Take the circle. The circle diameter is 60. Just say OK. Extrude. Now see the extrusion. From the center point to this top side is 50. Then the total height is 140 they have given. The remaining is 90. Now the one side go to the options. One side it is 50. Other side variable it is 90. Now total will be 140. Say OK. Now we have created the cylinder. Then you just choose the midplane, sketch view. Now we'll model this feature. For that, take the circle. The circle has a diameter of 40 and the circle is located from the center point to this edge. Distance is 50. Now we'll connect this like this. Similarly here and close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Take the delete segment feature, remove the unwanted edges. This is the final sketch. Save OK. Extrude. Make it to symmetric. The total extrusion length is 60. Save OK. Then we'll model this feature. Similarly, take the same plane, sketch view. Now take a circle. The circle diameter is 50. And we'll connect the lines. Take a line here, make it horizontal. Here also keep it horizontal. Close the sketch. Now remove the unwanted edges by using a delete segments. Now this distance is, here you can see from the center point to this center point, the distance is 100. Just say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. The thickness is 30. Say OK. Now we'll model this cylinder. Select this midplane. Sketch view. Take a circle. Place it in the outer edge. We'll get the center point. Keep it this line. Save OK. Extrude. Untick this material removal. Make it symmetric. The extrusion length is 40. Save OK. Now we have created all the material addition features. Now we'll create material removal feature. First start with the hole. Place it on the surface. Now press the Ctrl and hold. Select the axis. Now the diameter of the hole is 28. and here we just make it to next. Save OK. Similarly, we just want to make it whole here. Here we don't have an axis. For that, we'll create a circle and extrude it. Select this midplane, sketch, sketch view. Take a circle, place it here. You will get the center point and press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of this hole is 20. Just say OK. Now go to the extrude, go to options. Here material removal, variable, one side to next and other side also to next. Just say OK. Now we have created these two holes. Then we'll create this slot. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Now take a reference of here, then close it. Take a circle. The circle diameter is 46. Then take a rectangle, keep it here and place it here. This is a symmetric rectangle actually. Now the thickness is 6. Now remove the unwanted edges here by using a delete segments. Delete it here and delete it here. Now just say OK. Extrude. Change the direction. Material removal. Here make it to throw hard. Now 40 is done. Then we have missed to create this feature, rib. For this, select this midplane, sketch and sketch view. Take the reference of this edge in the circle and close it here. Close. Take a line. Here put a line. Just take it from here and here connect it as a tangent. This distance they are given as 10. Take the dimension from here to this point, it has 10. Now just say OK. Go to rib, profile rib. Thickness is 10. Cancel. Now it's not generating the rib. Then close it. Sketch. Edit. Go to sketch view. Now take a line. Just connect it here and here. Here we have to connect by arc. Take the arc with center here and here and here. Just say OK. Extrude. Make it symmetric. Thickness is 10. Say OK. Now we have created this rib also. Now the component is done. Just hide all the planes. Standard orientation. To change the appearance, go to the view, appearance, provide any appearance to the part, say OK. For inner appearance, go to the appearance, color, change this to intense surface, select the surface, press the control and select the surface, say OK. Standard orientation. To make the dimension to this, go to the annotate. We can go for show annotation to selected feature. We can make it all tick. Just apply it. Now we can move this annotation. Just keep it here. This annotation also. Can move. Similarly, we can just go to the annotation. So annotation, choose the next feature, whichever you want. Just click it and click it. Just apply. Now we can select this annotation, move it down. and place it at the center. This also place it at the center. Select and place it at here. Select this annotation. This is we don't want, just delete it. And if you want to put some annotation like in another way, go to the dimension. Select this dimension. It is in the top plane. Select this dimension. You keep it here. Press the roller, you will get it. Similarly, select this one. Press the roller, you will get it. Similarly, go to the annotation. Right side. Dimension. From here. To here, press the control. Cancel. Dimension. Like this we can place the annotation. So in that we have finished this tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your friends. If you find this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos and thank you.